Alright, we got a 2015 Nissan Sentra SR. Needs an engine belt and front brakes. So, basic stuff, getting back in the swing of doing automotive content. We're not going to get too crazy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this lower cover off right here to get it out of the way. The engine belt's right there. So they got 10mm bolts all the way around. All the way around here, here, back here. There's a push clip here that will come out. So just go around and work and get this lower cover off right here. Now I'm going to leave it hanging like this because this guy put his own screws in over here. So I'm going to leave those alone. And then I'm going to work up inside this hole right here to get this belt out of here. You see, this belt is trashed. So let's get it out. It's a tight fit, but it'll come out. I'm going to pull this wheel off right here so I can see more on the side. I'm going to try to show you. I got a 14mm on here right now. You see how I got the 14mm on that pulley and push back like this and then pull your belt off and then slowly let it back the other way. I was able to jiggle the belt around and pull it out from the bottom, but how I'm going to put this back in is, you see those two pulleys right there? I'm going to drop this down between those two pulleys. I'm going to feed it through like a candy machine. At least I'm going to try to. Come on now. Okay, I'm not going to feed it through like a candy machine. I'm going to shove it through a little bit in front of it. I need two hands for this. Okay, now I'm going to feed it through like a Laffy Taffy machine, like a candy machine. I'm going to push it down between those two pulleys. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Smooth side of the belt obviously goes on the pulleys, and the rib goes on the alternator. Here. Like so. And then you see how I kind of starting it around the pulley right there. Now I got it there the rest of the way. Now I'm going to put the vehicle back up in the air and I'm going to start the belt on the bottom pulleys now. Okay, now that we're down here, yeah, I can go ahead and start putting the belt where it goes. This goes here. This goes on the crank pulley, but I got to put my wrench up on the tensioner while I pull it around the pulleys. Okay, you see now I have this here. I got it pushed all the way back. Axel, hold it right here for me for a second. Right here. I got it pulled all the way back. Now I'm going to try to fish it up. Try to go. You got to be careful because it can slip on you too. So I'm pushing it behind my wrench and I'm going up over the pulley. It's a tight fit. It's got to slide on in. It's a tight fit, so you got to wiggle the belt around to get it in there. Then there's that. Now it's lined up. Now I'm going to pull it around this over here. Uh-oh. There we go. I'm gonna wiggle the belt around. Other way. Okay. Now, that's it. You could have done the smooth pulleys first, but I prefer to do the bottom. And then if you look up in there, I'm gonna pull that over just a little bit and to line it back up. You can see how everything goes in there now. Okay. There you go. From the alternator down underneath the tensioner, which is right there. And there's the water pump, the crank, and the AC compressor. That's how you change the belt on a 2015 Nissan Sentra and other ones as well. The part number for the belt I used is a K060480 from Gates, or 6PK1222. You can cross that number and figure out what other ones with the parts store converts. Thanks guys. Be blessed.